If you've ever tried signing up for Bet365 and felt like you might be missing out on a better deal, you're not alone. A lot of people jump in, deposit money, and only later realise there were promo codes or offers they could have used to get extra value. The truth is, Bet365 doesn't always make promo codes obvious, especially depending on whether you're in the UK or the US. But once you understand how their system works, finding and using these offers becomes a lot easier, and you can consistently get more from your bets without doing anything complicated. Let's start with something important that many beginners misunderstand. Bet365 doesn't rely heavily on traditional type in a code systems like some other betting platforms. Instead, most of their promotions are automatically applied when you sign up through the right page or meet certain conditions. That means the real trick isn't just finding a random code online. It's knowing where to look, how to access the correct sign-up flow, and how to confirm the offer is actually active before you deposit your money. In the UK, Bet365 is known for its welcome offer that usually revolves around a bet and get style promotion. This means you place a qualifying bet with your own money, and then Bet365 rewards you with free bets if that first wager meets the requirements. The key detail here is that you often don't need to manually enter a promo code. Instead, the offer is tied to the official sign-up page or specific promotional links. If you go directly to the homepage and create an account without checking the promotions section, you might still get the offer, but it's always safer to confirm before signing up. So one of the smartest ways to find active Bet365 promo codes or offers in the UK is by going directly to the promotions page on their official site. This is where Bet365 lists all current deals, including new customer bonuses, odds boosts, and seasonal promotions. When you click into a new customer offer, it will clearly explain whether a code is needed or if the offer is automatically applied. Most of the time, you'll see that no code is required, but you must opt in or follow a specific sign-up path. Another effective method is checking trusted sports betting comparison sites. These platforms track current offers across multiple bookmakers and often highlight the best Bet365 promotions available at that moment. What's useful about these sites is that they sometimes provide exclusive links that activate offers you might not see directly on the main Bet365 homepage. But you have to be careful here. Only use well-known, reputable sources. There are plenty of low-quality websites that list outdated or fake promo codes just to get clicks. Now, if you're in the US, things work a little differently because sports betting laws vary from state to state. Bet365 operates legally in several states, and the promotions can change depending on where you are. For example, in states like New Jersey, Colorado, or Ohio, Bet365 often runs aggressive welcome offers to attract new users. These can include risk-free bets, bet credits, or even deposit match bonuses. Again though, most of these offers are tied to specific landing pages rather than traditional promo codes. In the US, one of the easiest ways to ensure you're getting a valid promo is by searching for Bet365 offers specific to your state. Instead of just typing Bet365 promo code, you should search something like Bet365 promo New Jersey or Bet365 bonus Ohio. This helps you find localized offers that are actually available to you. Clicking on the correct sign-up link from a trusted source will usually activate the bonus automatically. Another thing to understand is timing. Bet365 frequently updates its promotions around major sporting events. In the UK, this could be during the Premier League season, UEFA Champions League matches, or big boxing fights. In the US, you'll see stronger offers during the NFL season, NBA playoffs, or major events like the Super Bowl. If you're patient and sign up during one of these peak periods, you're more likely to get a better bonus than during quieter times. Social media can also be surprisingly useful. Bet365 occasionally promotes offers through their official channels, especially around big events. Following their accounts or keeping an eye on trending discussions in betting communities can help you catch limited time deals. However, you should avoid relying on random posts or comments claiming to have secret promo codes. If it's not coming from an official or trusted source, there's a good chance it's either expired or completely fake. Now let's talk about something that can make or break your experience: terms and conditions. A lot of people find a promo, sign up, and then get frustrated when they can't withdraw their winnings. That usually happens because they didn't fully understand the requirements. For example, a bet and get offer might require your first bet to be placed at minimum odds before you qualify for the free bets. If you place a bet that doesn't meet those odds, you won't get the reward. Similarly, free bets often come with rules about how winnings are calculated. In most cases, you only keep the profit, not the stake. So if you use a £10 free bet and win, you'll receive the profit from that bet, but not the original £10. Knowing this ahead of time helps you avoid confusion and use your bonus more strategically. One underrated tip is to create your account and verify it before depositing. Sometimes users rush through sign up, deposit money, and then run into issues with verification or eligibility. By completing your profile first and checking that the promotion is active, you reduce the risk of missing out on the bonus. It's also worth mentioning that Bet365 doesn't allow multiple accounts per person. Trying to create extra accounts to reuse promo codes can lead to your account being restricted or even permanently banned. If you want to continue getting value after your first bonus, focus on ongoing promotions like odds boosts, bet builders, and loyalty rewards instead of trying to game the system. For people who are serious about maximizing value, keeping a simple routine helps. Before signing up or placing your first bet, check the promotions page, verify the offer details, and make sure you're using the correct sign-up link. This takes less than 5 minutes, but can significantly increase what you get in return. Another smart move is comparing Bet365's offer with other bookmakers before committing. Sometimes another platform might have a stronger bonus at that moment. Even if you prefer Bet365 for its interface or features, knowing what else is available gives you a better sense of whether you're getting a good deal. At the end of the day, finding Bet365 promo codes isn't about chasing random strings of letters and numbers. It's about understanding how their promotions actually work. Most of the time, the code is simply the path you take to sign up. If you go through the right channel, the offer is applied automatically. If you don't, you might miss it completely. So whether you're in the UK or the US, the strategy stays the same. Start with the official promotions page, use trusted comparison sites if needed, search for location-specific offers, and always double-check the terms before depositing. Do that consistently and you'll never feel like you're leaving free value on the table again. And once you get into the habit of doing this, it becomes second nature. You won't need to hunt endlessly for codes or wonder if you're getting the best deal. You'll know exactly where to look, what to check, and how to take full advantage of every offer that's available to you. Another angle that many people overlook is email marketing. Once you create an account with Bet365, even if you haven't deposited yet, you may start receiving personalized offers directly in your inbox. These can sometimes include exclusive promotions that aren't publicly listed on the main promotions page. So it's worth enabling marketing emails, at least initially, to see what kind of deals you're offered. Some users end up getting better ongoing promos this way compared to what's available to the general public. You should also pay attention to in-app promotions after you've signed up. The Bet365 mobile app often highlights boosted odds, flash promos, and limited time bet credits that don't always appear on the desktop version. Checking the app regularly, especially before placing bets, can help you stack extra value on top of your normal wagers without needing any additional codes at all. Finally, consistency is what separates casual users from those who really maximize these offers. Instead of treating promo codes as a one-time bonus, think of them as part of your overall strategy. Keep checking for new deals, stay updated during major sporting events, and always approach each offer with a clear understanding of the requirements. Over time, these small advantages add up, and you'll find yourself getting far more out of Bet365 than someone who just signs up and bets without paying attention to promotions.